Alright, I'm here with another video. This is just an update on what happened. So, I've already showed you the gas, the battery, the two switches. Basically what we did is we just put a 4-inch pulley in the back instead of the 9-inch default, or stock. And we're gonna, next thing we're gonna do is just gonna be switching the pulley up there, which is now, I don't even know how big it is, but we might put the 4-inch up there and put like a 3-inch down there. But yeah, and I put that on there. But I'm just gonna start it up for you. So, brake, first switch, and then I'm gonna have to do this with one hand, so I set it like that. Yeah, it just died. I think it's out of gas, but yeah, that's how it goes. Max speed right now is 14 miles per hour. So that's just like a little update for you. So yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Subscribe.